Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can add categories on Shopify. So let's jump right in. To keep your store organized, we'll start by creating product categories, also known as collections. Head over to your Shopify dashboard, go to Products, and click on Collections. You'll see a default collection called Homepage. If you don't need it, just click the three dots, choose Delete Collection, and confirm. To create a new category, click Create Collection. Give it a name, for example, backpacks. You can also add a short description if you like. Under collection type, keep it set to manual so you can add products yourself. Then upload an image for this category by dragging it into the image box and hit save. To create more categories, repeat the same process, click Create Collection, name it, and save. Now let's add products to these categories. Go to your products section and select all items that belong in a specific collection, for example, your backpack products. Once selected, click the three dots at the top, choose Add to Collections, pick the right collection, and hit Save. Do the same for all your other product categories. Once you're done, go back to the Collections page, and you'll see that each category now shows the correct number of products inside.